long, and I finally got my hands on this robot vacuum and mop combo. I literally just press start and let it handle everything. The suction is honestly impressive. It picks up crumbs and dust so easily, even in those high-traffic areas. What I really like is the brush design, especially if you deal with hair. It doesn't get all tangled up like most vacuums. You can actually see the map of your space in the app while it's working, which is kind of addicting to watch. The mop setup is super simple too. Just add water, dampen the pad, and it's ready. Watching it go over spills is actually so satisfying. And the best part for me? It goes back and empties itself. I don't have to constantly deal with it, which makes a huge difference. It just keeps everything looking taken care of.
खरीदारी के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया गया है, जिससे आपको डिस्काउंट भी मिल सकता है।